And there you have it. The whole shark is all put together without even reading the instructions. There it is. My new toy. Brand new. Navigator. Ooh, got a swivel steering. Nice. Lift away. Look at that. All brand new. And they gave me this. So this is my new toy that I got for free. And oh yeah, let me show you guys how to take this thing, the base part off. Alright. Now on the side here, this little the push button right there. Slide that piece back up. Whoops. Now, so you come over here, you open up this over here, lift tab to release. Okay, you lift that up. You do the same thing on this side right here. And you press. Oh. Lift this up. There you have it. Right here. that piece up. And you clean the inside of this. Sure, there's a way to, oh, that's manufactured. So it looks like it doesn't come apart, but clean that out. And this right here, take this out, take this piece out, and it's kind of like a yep. Wash this off with warm water, kind of like a sponge, and you just dust this off. Or but then when you're cleaning the vacuum cleaner, you want to make sure you don't do it in the inside. You want to bring it out on the outside. If you have like parts like this or Dyson, bring the piece, like bring this in the trash can outside. Don't do it in the inside. We'll make sure this is you got a handle. There we go. Clip that back on. This up, and there you have it. Swivel, huh? I'll test this baby out. Floor nozzle. Oh, so basically I can use this on the kitchen floor. It says bare floor and brushel on too. So, oh, okay. Let's see this swivel. Yep, I see what they're saying. So, there it is. Now, questions or problems, give them a call. Do not return to the store. Now, since I have all these other parts, that, like I said, I thought I was going to get a brand new one of this one. And I'm willing to clean this out, and I'll sell this particular item and the other parts that I have. I might just probably keep or get rid of. Actually, no, I'll probably keep, but not this. This I will sell depending on if the other parts don't fit. But if they don't fit, this item I have these are the original ones that goes to the Navigator here. There's parts in this right here, which is, I don't know if they're gonna fit, but let's see. If they don't fit, then I'm willing to give them for free. All right. Yep, it does fit. So I'm going to keep them. Yep, I will keep it. I know I have the brushel part. Oh, that's not that. So anybody is interested in having this, 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 and this, except for this, because it fits. $20 for these right here. Plus I'll clean it. Clean it out, wash it, and I'll sell it to anyone for like $20 just for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $20 is yours. This will be yours for $20. And please leave a like and a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Wolfgang1305. Tomorrow I'm going to just play around with my new toy, since it's already too late. So, yeah, this is my new toy I'm going to be playing. Can't believe I got a brand new vacuum cleaner. Ha! You believe it? They came in this box, and it came in that, and it came in that through FedEx. So you guys, to the women out there, this is Wolfgang1305 saying Happy Valentine's Day, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys another time.